is the Main Street Bridge that I have been working on. It's just set in place right now. Took about a month to work on, doing the measurements. Those little, and I'll get up close, see this little square thing with that? I'm going to be using those Just Plug system lights. I'll show you a picture of, there's going to be the additional posts here on either side that are like those up against the wall, and I've already done the test install of some lights that hang on the sides. The ones that'll be up here on the deck, and there'll be 4 on each side, are the kind of come over and loop, and I'll show a picture of it in the video. But this is supposed to look like, at least from an N scale standpoint, like the N scale, or excuse me, the Main Street Bridge at Kansas City. It's just my rendition of it. Like I said, it took a lot of design work and a lot of time printing it, and just to show you, I can right now. It is removable. So there's one of the sections, steel girders that I printed. I'll move one of these. We'll take that off. You can see how it joins in there, and I have lots of photos I took while I was building this. And I will probably glue all these sections together at some point. And then I've been thinking about wrapping a piece of styrene along the edge. The key thing was to get it so that all the cars and everything would fit through it. Now the question is will my video camera fit through there? That's a whole nother matter, and I'll have to take a look at that. But this is... and I'll show you some pictures, but it'll be painted like a steel color underneath, and then I'll do some rust. The top will be like an asphalt, and then this is the sidewalk. And there's a railing I have that'll go on the side. But this is the completed, almost completed. I haven't put the lights on it, and especially the post here with the lights that are similar to the ones in the back. But this is the Main Street Bridge as it stands today here in April 2023. And it's been pretty functional. The whole bridge can be lifted off. Everything here in Union Station is not glued down, other than the masonite that's underneath where the passenger platforms are going to be. But it makes it easy to remove and to work on, so I could take it off at some point and put the lights on it that I had shown in one of the earlier portions of this video. But anyway, that's what it looks like today. It's 30 inches long. It still needs other stuff on it, you know, the lights, as I mentioned, the center line, some dirtying up, but overall, I'm pretty pleased with it. This was a fairly tedious build. All the underground parts that had to go together to put this together to be similar to the original in the photograph. So, but anyway, that's the Main Street Bridge.